Hello children, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, we are going to do revision work on very short type question answer. Last day we did up to 15. From 16 we will start. Let us see the questions. Before that, before learning the very short type question answer, I must tell you, you have to learn and memorize the word bank. Word bank from chapter 1 to chapter 6 that covers the physical features of India. As I told you, physical features of India covers chapter 1 to 6 of new book. So students, you must learn and memorize the word bank. From there, I will ask you question right answer in one sentence, like define delta. What is a tributary? This question can be asked from the word bank, and you have to write the answer in one sentence. Okay students, don't forget this. Now we will start from question 16. Which was the canal built to convert the wasteland of Thar Desert to agricultural land? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal. I am repeating. Which was the canal built to convert the wasteland of Thar Desert to agricultural land? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal. 17. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Answer: Dehradun. You must learn the capitals of the states, 28 states and 8 union territories. Right? Question number 18. Capital of Goa? Answer: Panaji. 19. Capital of Ladakh? Ladakh is an union territory. Okay, so its capital is Leh, with associated with Kargil. That means the answer you will write Leh and Kargil, both Leh and Kargil. Number 20. Capital of Telangana? That is Hyderabad. And the capital of Andhra Pradesh? That is Kavaratti. No, Amravati. Okay, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati, and the capital of Telangana, that is Hyderabad. Right? Don't confuse within that. 21. Crops cultivated on sloping land which has been cut into large steppe. The answer is terraced farming. Okay, the answer is terraced farming. 22. A triangular land where a river divides before entering a large body of water. What is its answer? The triangular land is called delta. Students, I have written the answer on left hand side. Okay, see there also. 23. Hot liquid rock that comes out of a volcano and cools and becomes hard. That is called lava rock. The answer is lava rock. 24. A tower with a powerful light guide which warns ships near the coast. I am repeating. A tower with a powerful light guide which warns ships near the coast. The answer will be lighthouse. 25. The another name for Great Himalayas. Answer, Himadri. Himadri is the another name of Great Himalaya. The question is the another name for Great Himalayas. You will write the answer Himadri. Okay. So students, again I am reminding you that you will learn and memorize word bank from chapter 1 to chapter 6 of the new book, which covers the chapter the physical features of India. Right? So students, the class ends here. Practice this, and till then, goodbye.